Hey guys, what's up? In a short tutorial video, we're going to teach you step by step how you can crop photos and items in your Google Photos account really quickly and without any advanced graphic designing or photo editing skills whatsoever. So let us get started right away. Head over to Google Photos, for example, through the web application. Make sure that you're logged in or signed in with your associated Google account. And inside your library, simply left click on the photo you would like to edit and crop. So let me go with this one here for the sake of this tutorial. And after that, click on that icon here at the top, edit, next to the share icon. And that is going to redirect you to the editing tool here on Google Photos. So what you may do, guys, is, for example, is apply various filters, for instance, here by selecting one of these here. Or you may simply crop your image or photo by clicking on that button, crop. And after that, simply use these corners here of your image or of your frame to set a custom frame or to crop it. As you can see, it is super intuitive. You can do that by hand, as you can see, and crop your image just like that. You may also use some of these resolution templates here to the right, like 16:9, 9:16, original, like that one here, or 9:16, to put it into a TikTok video resolution format, square, 3:2, 4:3. And if you'd like to return to the free cropping, simply select free here. And yeah, repeat the same process by moving these corners by hand. And once you're done, guys, either click on reset here, or you may also rotate your image just like that. And click on save here to save these changes. And that's it, guys. That's how you crop images on Google Photos. Super simple, as you can see, and beginner friendly. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.